Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Atul Gupta. This case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal at page number 13. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT F bench and the date of the judgment is 17th February 2023. This is a latest judgment and this judgment is relating to the assessment in case of search. In case of search, there are two types of assessments, assessment under section 153A and 153C. The assessee on whom the search is made, the assessment is done under section 153A, and the assessees whose documents are found at the premises of the person on whom the search is made, for those assessees section 153C is there and their assessment is being done under section 153C. In this case, there were parallel searches in the name of the assessee also and some other assessee also. But the additions were made in the name of the assessee on the documents which were found in the search of other person. For this, the assessment was made under section 153A. When the assessing officer was going to make these additions, it was the plea of the assessee that my assessment should not be done under section 153A because the addition is being made on the documents which have been found at the premise of the other person. But the assessing officer was not convinced and he completed the assessment under section 153A. Some additions were being made. When this matter came to the Delhi ITAT, Delhi ITAT said that the assessing officer has made a basic error in making the addition under section 153A of the assessee whose documents are found in the search of the other person. So the right approach was that the assessment should have been made under section 153C. So it is not the agenda of the assessing officer that he can make the assessment in any section which he likes. There is a procedure in the law and that procedure should be followed. It cannot be said that the assessment is the assessment whether it is made under section 148, 153A or 153C. It is not like that. The procedure was in this case that the assessment should have been completed under section 153C and that have not been done. So on this basis alone, the Delhi ITAT quashed the assessment order. Delhi ITAT also said that there is section 132 subsection 4A in which there is presumption that if any documents are found at the premises of an assessee on whom the search is being made, then it is presumed that these documents are related to that assessee and only that assessee can rebut that these documents are not mine. But this section cannot be extended to presume that the documents which are found at the premises of the assessee on whom the search is being made, it cannot be presumed that these documents relate to some other person. So this presumption cannot be extended, and if that is to be done, then the reasons for that should be recorded by the assessing officer before reopening the case under section 153C of the other assessee. So the jurisdiction of the assessing officer in this particular case was not to complete the assessment under section 153A, but it should have been done under section 153C. Apart from this, in this case, whatever the incriminating material was found, in that it was written that the documents relate to the Dildar bracket Atul sir and the name of the assessee was Atul Gupta. So the ITAT said that phrase Dildar bracket Atul sir cannot be presumed that these documents relate to the Atul Gupta in absence of corroborative evidence. So you cannot presume, the additions cannot be made on the basis of conjecture and surmises, and it cannot be made on the basis of just some indication is there or suspicion is there. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax versus Atul Kumar Gupta, and the case has been reported in 103 ITR Tribunal at page number 13. The matter has been decided by Delhi ITAT F bench, and the date of the judgment is 17th February 2023. Thank you, friends.